ask you to bless each of us. Please especially bless my brother Troy, grant him healing and strength. Also, please bless all of our family members who could not be here. And bless this evening. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee.